Sleep is a vital need for the body, just like eating and drinking. Sufficient and quality sleep enhances concentration, productivity, and overall health. However, in today's fast-paced era, many of us struggle to get a good night's sleep. Here are 5 steps you can take to improve the quality of your sleep. 1. Regular and intensive exercise. Regular and intensive exercise has been proven effective in improving sleep quality. Workouts that elevate your heart rate close to its maximum, such as weight training or swimming, can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. However, avoid exercising too close to bedtime, as it can make it difficult to fall asleep. 2. Reduce caffeine consumption. Caffeine is a stimulant that can hinder the sleep process. Avoid consuming coffee, tea, or other caffeinated beverages at least 5 hours before bedtime. This will help your body relax and prepare for sleep. 3. Optimize your sleep environment. The state of your sleep environment greatly affects the quality of your sleep. Remove electronic devices, such as phones, from your bed, as the blue light emitted can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates the sleep cycle. Ensure your mattress is clean and comfortable, and set the room temperature to be cool and comfortable. 4. Manage stress and overthinking. Stress and overthinking can prevent you from sleeping soundly. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga before bed. You can also calm your mind by reading a book or listening to soothing music. Praying before bed can also help alleviate worries and calm the mind. 5. Consistency and discipline. A regular sleep pattern is crucial for achieving quality sleep. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Avoid habits that can disrupt your sleep pattern, such as staying up late or taking long naps. Remember, adopting healthy sleep habits takes time. Be patient, consistent, and observe the changes in your sleep quality. By applying these 5 steps, you can enjoy a good night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed every day.